guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne, and in today's video I'm going to show you this classic timeless glittery eye look. Today I wanted to do a look using some glitter, and I went for this champagne gold glitter, which I think is really pretty, and I think this eye look will suit everyone. If you're a little bit afraid to wear like a winged liner, you can skip this part and do no eyeliner, or only do like a basic line above the lash line. You can give your whole own twist to it. Don't be afraid. If you see someone wearing a wing but you do really like the eye look, you can always give your own twist to it and add some things or leave some things out. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to show you how I did this. Also, by the time you're watching this, I'm not really sure if I have already hit 1 million subscribers. I think it's going to happen today. I'm not really sure if it has already happened by the time I have uploaded this video, but oh my god, I'm so excited, and I just want to say thank you all so much for the support. I will be definitely doing a few giveaways for this amazing celebration. I mean, this is all thanks to you guys, so I want to definitely give something back. But I will do another video on that. So yeah, let's get started. I hope you guys will enjoy today's video. So the first thing I'm going to do, like always, is prime my eyelids, and I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I have been using this primer forever, and it's still my favorite. I even use the P. Louise Rumor base, but I think I still like the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot a little bit more, so I will just continue to use this one. Now I'm applying some eyeshadow shields, and these will prevent any eyeshadow fallout and will leave me with a very sharp end at the edge. So today I'm going to use this palette from BH Cosmetics, which is a really gorgeous palette with a lot of different colors. And I'm going to start with this kind of grayish taupey. I don't really know how to say that, like taupe, but a grayish shade, and I'm going to blend that all over my crease using a Morphe M06 brush. No, this is not this is a MA04. It's a very big fluffy brush. Then I'm taking the E40 brush from Sigma, and I'm taking this dark brown color, and I'm going to start blending that first in my outer V area, and then later I'm going to blend it more towards my crease. And this is quite a dark shade, so sometimes when I go like straight in with a dark shade like this, it's sometimes a little bit hard to blend. So I just try to not apply too much product on my brush in once. I'm just trying to slowly build it up. Then I went in with a tinier brush and really focused in my crease, and then I went back in with a bigger one. Now I'm going to use this brown shade just to give the eye look a little bit more of a warmer undertone, because I felt like it was looking really cool tone, and the glitters that I'll be using are more, well, they're not really like super warm tone, but also not really cool tone. So I wanted to get like the same undertone in my crease as the glitter, so that's why I went in with this brown shade. And also it's a perfect color to blend in between the lightest color and the darkest color I applied, so the transition will look even more smooth. And for this I used the Sigma Beauty E40 brush. Now I'm going in with this light color called Prince, and I'm going to apply a little bit of that in the inner corner area just to brighten it up. I can also do this like at the end of the eye look when I'm like finished with everything, but I like to do this at the beginning as well. Now I'm going to use this golden shade, which has quite of a neutral undertone as well, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. First I went in with a brush, but I noticed that using my fingers works a lot more easy, and then I went back in with my brush to blend it more towards the edge. And then I went in with a empty blending brush just to blend around the edges. Then now, to make the eye look a little bit more darker, I'm going to use this black eyeshadow and blend it in the outer end area. I'm really trying to focus like all the way in my outer end, but then when I don't have like that much product left on my brush, I'm also going to blend a little bit more at the middle part of my crease. Then I'm going in with this gorgeous glitter from BH Cosmetics, which is so stunning, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids. That's why I went in with that golden color all over the eyelid, because I feel like whenever you go in with a glitter, you always need to go in with a shimmery eyeshadow underneath. I feel like if you would apply like a glitter on top of a matte eyeshadow, it will look really patchy, and you will just see like the space in between the glitters. It just doesn't look right. I know this from experience, so this is just a tip. Just apply a shimmery eyeshadow underneath and it will look so much better. So this is how the look now looks with the glitter. I'm going to remove the eyeshadow guard, and now it's time for some eyeliner. I'll be using the Maybelline gel eyeliner, and I'm going to use this to create a winged liner. Then now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going in with that black eyeshadow again and using a flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty and pressing this right underneath the lower lash line. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to use that light brown color which I used for my crease as well, and I'm going to start blending this all the way underneath the lower lash line to blend out that black liner. And also to kind of create a transition, because I am going back in with a darker shade, which is this dark brown color, and I'm going to kind of blend that in between that light brown color and the black eyeshadow. So I'm basically doing the same as when I would create a cut crease. I have a lot of cut crease videos on my channel. I will put the playlist in the description bar in case you're curious. But it's all about blending, going in with lighter and darker shades to get like a nice transition. Then I went back in with that light color which I applied earlier in my inner corner as well. But just to apply a little bit more, I'm going back in with that eyeshadow. Then for my waterline, I'm taking this Suiva pencil in the shade Carnat. You can also go in with a black pencil if you want this look to be a little bit more smoky. But I felt like to give it more of a softer appearance, I went in with this nude pencil. Then for my mascara, I'm using the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara, which is from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm using this for my upper lashes and my lower lashes. Then I applied some fake eyelashes. The ones I used are from the brand Dark Swan of Denmark. I will put the name of the lash style in the description bar. They have like the most gorgeous lashes ever, so really make sure to check out their lashes if you're searching for new ones. Then now I'm going to line my lips because I'm already done with my eyes. And I'm going to use this lip pencil from Morphe brushes, which I bought in LA, and their lip pencils are really good and really affordable. And then I went in with this lip gloss from Dose of Colors in the shade Can You Not, which is a really gorgeous nude with a pinky undertone. But it's not like too pink, it's just a really beautiful neutral nude with a pink undertone. And that's what I love when it comes to nude lip glosses. Then I'm going in with some bronzer, also from the brand BH Cosmetics. Never used this bronzer before. I own 3 of them, but I think I went in with a shade which is slightly too dark. So I just try to not apply too much because else it will look very orange. But I managed to make it work. Now I'm going in with this gorgeous highlighter which comes in the eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, which I used for my eyes, and it's actually a really gorgeous highlighter. It really blended nicely into my skin, so that's really nice. Now I'm going in with this blush from Rimmel London in the shade Sweet Cheeks and this blush from Modus Cosmetics in the shade Bella. I mixed both of these blushes on my brush and then I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks. I feel like the combination of these two look really pretty. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoy watching today's video. I really love how it turned out. I love that the eye glitter is not really golden, but at the same time it's not really silvery. It's like a perfect in-between kind of color, which I think will suit a lot of people. Also, I really love the highlighter that came in this palette. When I saw the palette, I wasn't really sure if it would look like very powdery, but now that I have it on, I think it's so pretty and it actually really melted nicely into the skin. So yeah, I'm really happy with the palette. I might do another video using it. Let me know if you're interested. And yeah, I just hope this look gave you some inspiration for the holidays. If you're gonna wear this for the holidays, let me know in the comments. I'm really curious. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!